Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Apple CarPlay not working issue and not connecting issue after iOS 17 update. So guys, if your iPhone is not connecting to Apple CarPlay, it can be frustrating. So today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this Apple CarPlay not working or not connecting issue. First of all, you have to check compatibility. Ensure that your car and your iPhone are compatible with CarPlay. Not all cars or iPhones support CarPlay, so you have to verify that it is your iPhone and car is capable to connect with each other. After this, then you have to check cable connection. Make sure that the USB cable you are using to connect your iPhone to the CarPlay system is in a good condition. Try using a different cable if possible, if the CarPlay is not working. After this, then you have to use the right USB port. Some cars have multiple USB ports, but only one might be compatible with CarPlay. Check your car manual to find the correct USB port for CarPlay. Then after checking these three steps and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. CarPlay issues are often resolved with iOS update. Simply you tap on your settings, then go to General, then tap on Software Update and see if it's there any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. Then you have to restart your iPhone and car. Try restarting both your iPhone and car system. This can sometimes resolve connection issues. For doing this, simply for doing restart on iPhone, you have to go back and then go to your general, then tap on shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. And for car, you can simply switch it off and then switch on again. After applying this all method and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to try last solution, reset network settings. In some cases, resetting network settings on your iPhone can help. For doing this, you have to go again to your settings, then go to general, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your password and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.